We're trying a beach day again, this time without the jet skis. Let's see how we do.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you saw my latest video, you saw that I tried to use the truck for the very first time and tow the jet skis, and that kind of went wah, wah, wah. Not necessarily because there were faults with the truck, but more of our setup, and we learned a lot from that. I ended up getting a new hitch, I got a new trailer cord extender, and we have towed the jet skis successfully, and we will make a video kind of showing our redemption on that end. But today we are attempting a full-blown adventure beach day with the family. That includes paddleboarding, going to the beach, taking the scooters, all of that, because we are going to take full advantage of having this whole truck bed. However, we are still at a learning curve because this is our very first time doing this with the whole family. We're going to take one car. Normally when we would go do something like this, we would need to take two cars because just the e-bikes and scooters alone would not, I don't think that would even fit in the Broncos plus paddleboards. Like, I don't think we've ever done that. But we are going to take the paddleboards today. We are going to have to inflate them because we don't have onboard air on the truck. We do have the plug in the back. However, the air compressor that we would potentially take is huge. I mean, it's like a commercial grade air compressor. Number one, it's going to take a lot of space, but it's way too much power to pull for this outlet back here because we just have the very base low voltage plug here in the back. So we're already learning that we either need to get a smaller air compressor to bring along if we want to bring the paddleboards deflated, or we need to get an onboard air for the truck specifically. Since we're going to have the paddleboards completely inflated, we have to secure everything. We have about a 45-minute drive on the interstate and we don't want no paddleboards flying in the air. After loading the paddleboards up and everything, you know, we could do it better. We could get better attachments. Some molle panels, maybe some different storage options would be ideal. But we're pretty much loaded up. We have beach chairs. We have a huge full-on pop-up tent, sand toys. We're bringing Asher's scooter. We're bringing two paddle boards, and I think that's everything. Plus two kids. Minus one kid, she's got to work. She's not going on the fun today. Don't worry, she gets to go on lots of adventures. But we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're also gonna see if there's anything else we need to add as we build this truck, so let's go. If you guys see anything in this video that you like, I have most of the items tagged in the description all throughout the video. You can find them on Amazon or at buckleupoffroad.com. How is it with all that extra room back there?
That's nice.
And you're missing a person. Wow, look at all that leg room. Got a great spot right here. Nice and secluded. So we are going to unload everything, pop up the tent, and then do some paddleboarding. We are all unpacked. It was much easier to unpack because there's a lot of room. And there we have it. I'm gonna get the life jackets out. Oh, that's what Jimmy just did. And then we have our own little private entrance to the water.
Hi.
It was fun.
Awesome.
We made a mistake though.
Uh-oh.
We started going with the wind, so that makes the paddle back harder. You usually want to make the paddle back easier.
Yeah.
So next time we gotta go that way.
Okay.
But we did it!
Woo.
Good job, Maya. Nobody fell. Good job, Maya.
Thank you.
Time for the boys to go. Maya, should we eat all the snacks while the boys are gone?
Yes.
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 What do
The
we got? What do we
strawberries.
got? What do we got?
the strawberries.
Ooh, freeze-dried strawberries. Those are the best. If you guys have never had freeze-dried strawberries, it's like candy, right? Yeah. It's so good. What else did we get? I think I packed some bars, some chicken packs. I think I did a salmon pack. Also, some bars. Yummy. Maya's crab hunting. We saw a couple of them, but they're pretty fast.
Where's the snail? Where?
Right over here in this corner. Let me see.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see
There's
it.
a crab.
I see it. I see it.
Oh yeah, and there's another one. There's a bunch over here.
Look, so slimy.
Ooh, it's got something in there. That's not a crab, but look at it. Arr. It's alive.
That's cool. Oh, there's another one. There's so many. Look at that one.
Oh no.
Welcome back, Asher.
Hi.
Did you have some fun? Did you fall?
No.
No.
Have fun. Sibling love. Help you? If you guys have any tips or tricks for like storage or just any kind of like truck hack that you think I should know about, please let me know. We learned a lot today, just packing everything and, you know, just seeing all the stuff that we need. We definitely need to get like some sort of portable air compressor. Although it wasn't bad to have them aired up, it saved a lot of time when we actually got here to the beach. There wasn't a lot of work to do, so it was kind of nice. But I am loving the truck life. I still like the Bronco life, but having a truck with all of us and all this stuff is really, really great. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Until next time. Buckle up, Buttercup.